Hello children, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to do revision on the chapter measurement, chapter number 7. Okay, you are going to have online test on this Saturday, that is on 19th. So I want to give you a quick revision on chapter 7. Chapter 7 and chapter 8 will be there for your test. Alright. Chapter 8 I will be giving you a revision tomorrow's online class. Alright children. So let us start. Okay. Measurement of length. So we can measure length of objects using our body parts like finger, hand span, cubit, foot span and pace. With these body parts we can measure the length of objects. Alright children, but these are called as non-standard units. Okay, because these are non-standard units. Why? Because non-standard units differ from person to person. Okay, so if a small child finger will not be that much longer, but a big person's or a adult person's finger will be longer, so the measurement will not be same. Cubit also like that, foot span like that, pace, all these things are not same. Okay, so this is why that it is called non-standard units. So non-standard units differ from person to person. To avoid such problems we use standard units of measure. So to avoid those problems we use what? Standard unit of measure. So standard unit of length is what? Standard unit of length is meter. Alright students, standard unit of length is meter. Okay. It is written as m. In short form we can write meter as m. Alright. So it is a standard unit and it gives same result every time. Alright. A measuring tape can be used to measure lengths in meter and it is generally used by the tailors. Alright children? Okay. So in 1 meter, how many centimeters will be there? In 1 meter there is 100 centimeter. Alright? And these centimeters are used, okay, to measure smaller units. Alright, and in 1 kilometer how many meters are there? 1000 meter. And kilometers are used to measure long distances. Once again let me tell you, smaller lengths are measured in centimeters. Okay, once again I am saying smaller lengths are measured in centimeters. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Okay, in short centimeter is written as cm. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Alright, now large distances like between two cities are measured in kilometers. Understand? Are measured in kilometers. In short, kilometer is written as km. Okay, so 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Alright children, all these things you have learned it just to make your memory fresh. I am just revising it once again. Alright, so these things you need to remember, that is 1 meter is 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer is 100 meter. These are important things. Alright, now those were the measurement of length. Now we are going to measurement of mass. Okay, measurement of mass. Mass also you can say, and is also known as a weight. Okay, mass means weight, how much weight. So we need to weigh things to find whether they are heavy or light. Okay, so tools for measuring weight. What are the tools for measuring weight? To find out weight we use a weighing machine. We also use a beam balance, or we can also use a spring balance. Okay. The scales are balanced with the weights on both sides are the same. The scales are balanced when the weights on both sides are the same. You understand the meaning? So when you measure the weight on the pan will be in a balanced state if the weight on both the pans are same. Understand? So now the standard unit of weight is what? The standard unit of weight is gram. Okay. Heavier objects are measured in kilogram or kg. Okay. And lighter objects are measured in gram. Okay. If you want to measure less things, if you want to weigh less things, you will use the measurement of gram. You will use the standard unit of gram. But if you want to measure things with heavy objects, you will use kilogram. Okay. Therefore 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. Okay, children. Okay. And one more thing I want to add here, that is a weighing balance has two pans. To measure the weight of an object, we place the object in one pan. On the other pan, weights are placed till the two pans are on the same level. You understand or not? A weighing balance has two pans. You know that, isn't it? Two pans are there. And to measure the weight of an object, we place the object in one pan. What we want to measure, we place it in one pan, and in the other pan we put the weights. Maybe 1 kilo weight, 2 kilo weight. You have seen in the shops, isn't it? That one stone type, 1 kg, 500 gram, 250 gram, like that. That is put in the other pan. And when the two pans are on the same level, then it is called balance, or then it is, you can also say that you have got the equal amount of the weight. Alright, children. Okay, so here also you need to remember that the standard unit of weight is gram. Okay, standard unit of weight is gram, and 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. These things are important. Okay, now let us go to measurement of capacity. How do you measure capacity? Capacity means when you measure the liquid things. Okay, the quantity of a liquid a container can hold is called its capacity. Understand? The quantity of a liquid a container can hold is called its capacity. Suppose in a bucket, how much water you can hold? Maybe in a bucket it can hold 25 liters. So that means 25 liter is the capacity of the bucket. Okay. Therefore, we can estimate the capacity of a vessel or container by looking at its size and shape. Okay, by looking at its size and shape also, we can estimate how much water will be can hold in that vessel. Okay. Now, the standard unit of measuring capacity is what? The standard unit of measuring capacity is called as liter. These are important things. Okay, liter. The standard unit of measuring capacity is liter. Therefore, 1 liter is equal to how much? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, 1 liter means in 1 liter how many milliliters will be there? 1000 milliliters. Okay, small quantities of liquids are measured in milliliters. Okay, milliliters, the short form of milliliter is ml. Okay, and if there is more, then you will measure it in liters. Alright, children. Okay, only this much I will give you the revision from the book. So what you need to do is you just learn whatever explanations I have given here about the measuring of length, standard unit of meter, measurement of mass, measurement of capacity, all these things you give a quick review, and also you learn from the mental maths. Okay, let's revise, exercise, all those things you learn from chapter 7. Okay, and about chapter 8 I will be telling it in tomorrow's class. So today I am stopping here. Thank you children. Have a nice day.